Vella has been manufacturing excellent quality soldering irons in Germany for over 50 years. For different modern electronic applications, Vella offers 3 different heating technologies for specific soldering needs. By evaluating contact dimensions and joint heat requirement, the most appropriate tool can be easily chosen. Silverline, the technology for universal applications with 2 soldering irons and cost-effective tips. WSP80 delivers 80 watts of power and offers a wide range of efficient tips from micro to large soldering applications with medium heating demand. And for more challenging tasks, there's WSP150. Power response. This line is composed of 3 different soldering tools with different powers, low-cost tips, from microelectronic up to power electronics. 65 watts for microelectronic and small joints with a high heat request. 120 watts for electronic with important heat request and medium sizes. 200 watts for big contact surfaces with huge heat request. The images show thermic comparisons between WXP120 and WXP200 on a thick copper layer, and a WXMP and a WXP65 on a RF shield or screening. Active tips. For microelectronic applications with high heat request, it is the fastest technology for heating and response. A micro tool particularly useful under microscope and a micro tweezer is very useful to desolder passives or dual inline components, also with heavy ground connections. Both tools have fast and easy tip change system. To gain the best in terms of performances and lifetime, and fully enjoy the manufacturer's warranty, you must use only original, genuine Vella spare parts.